Hello guys, good evening. So let's comb over my hair and let's do some bit of ASMR. I'm not using any microphone, so it's just the built-in microphone of my phone that I'm using. So yeah, I just took my shower now, and actually I'm ready to go to the bed. It's already 9:20 here in Hong Kong and also in the Philippines. So let's do this wrap up real quick hair combing. It's still watery, and I don't want to make a hair blower now because I want it to be dry naturally. Yeah, so let's do this. Some of you asking me, requesting to make some ASMR, but I'm so sorry guys, I don't have any equipment to use, like oh, my hair is pulling. I don't have microphone, so maybe in the future I will buy some for an ASMR video. Yeah, so just bear with my phone for now, and it's this hair combing. So how are you guys? And shout out to all my avid viewers who always there watching me, Nico Adam, Claudio, Putin, I don't know Putin, Nathan, Andrew. They are just the my avid viewers that I what you call this, I am thinking right now. So thank you guys for always watching me. Thank you guys for always supporting my channel. I do hope you share also and watch it all over. Shout out, and also those silent viewers there, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section if you are always watching me, and I'd love to read all your comments right down. So thank you guys for always supporting me. So let's do this. Let's do this hair combing, and I hope guys that you are all in good health and in a good situation. Yeah, shout out to all of you guys. As you can see guys, I don't upload most videos that I am talking because right now my employers are on their trip, and that's why I can do this video that I am talking, that I'm talking with you guys. So if they are here, I cannot do this because they will hear me talking in front of the camera, and maybe they will ask me. It's not allowed to make a video here. It's not allowed to do some vlogging here, but I'm doing it when they are out, when they are at work, and when they are at school, my the children. That's why. Oh my god, my hair is tangled. Let's untangle this one. Yeah, thank you guys for always watching me. And also guys, I'm so sorry because I cannot do hair washing already because I'm always so busy, and I cannot because we only have one bathroom, the three of us, the two ladies and me, and I cannot occupy the bathroom a little longer time. So I'm so sorry for that request. I cannot do hair washing right now. The past month, long ago, um, I do that because they are on out of the uh, country, and that's why I have a free time. I have that a chance to make that bathtub hair dunking. That's why, guys. So let's focus now for hair combing, hair drying, just like that. Yeah, and my hair is already longer. Uh, Most of the people that I bump are outside when I am on my holiday, my weekly holiday. They are always asking me why my hair is so long and how I manage to uh, take care of it. And actually, I don't know what uh, uh, I don't know how to answer them. It's just like that. Since I was uh, small, I already have a long hair. So right now, I don't know. It's not my type when I cut my hair so very short, and I'm so ugly when my hair is so short. That's why I don't want it to cut it so very short. Maybe when I reach 50 years old, something like that, or 60 years old, that one, I will cut my hair maybe very short one. And yeah, I want it to be very long, because maybe in the future, if someone asked me to donate my hair on the in the for the cancer patient, maybe I will do that to help cancer patient uh, to make their what you call this, the artificial hair. Maybe, yeah, I was thinking that one, to donate my hair in the future if they will ask me to cut it. Yeah, so look at my hair, guys. Let me put it down so you can see how long it is already. Yeah, you can see, guys. I don't know if you can see. Can you see it, guys? I cannot see because I am using the back camera of my phone. So yeah, I think this is enough. And shout out to all of you guys. So that's it for now. I don't know if it's if it looks like so ASMR video, and that's why. Yeah, that's it for now. That's it for now. Thank you. This will be a uncut video. I will upload it right away after this one. So thank you guys for watching. Mwah.